Hi everybody, welcome back. So unfortunately we're both feeling like absolute hell today. Neither of us are feeling at all well. We've just been out to pick up a few bits and pieces, and all we're doing today is just a bit of painting. The steel arrived yesterday, as you can see, so I've just put a coat of red oxide on this part, and Lee's just going to do these bits down here. So this is all ready for they're going to be MIG welded, aren't they?
Yeah, that's going to be the bench.
That's going to be the bench. So it's going to be, we're making a bench for our stern, but it's going to be made in a way that we can actually open up the engine bay.
Yeah.
So Dave suggested that we red oxide it today, get it prepped, and then they're going to weld it all together tomorrow.
This isn't all for that.
This isn't all for the bench, no. So that part is, and a little bit of that. We're putting some of that on our slide hatch, aren't we?
Yeah, to reinforce it from stopping it bowing.
And I think Dave's using some of it for his battery.
His engine bay for a battery.
Oh, okay, yeah. I've just put a undercoat on the steps, so I'm going to turn them over later and do the underside. So yeah, we're just sort of like pottering around today, just doing little bits and pieces, nothing exciting. We also measured up for the tap that's going to go, because we're having the granite made to go on here at the moment, and then we're having one of those black bowl basins. I think that's going to be a bit too near in, but we're going to move it a bit out to about here.
It needs moving. I just wanted the size.
Oh right, yeah. And then we're going to put a plate on here which will have the tap coming out, obviously going into the basin, and then the handle will be that side. So I need to order that ready, and then we can sort of crack on and get the water sort of up and running, won't we?
Yeah.
If we can get the shower screen up, then it means that we'll be able to have showers when we come up here, which will be really nice. So
Have running water as well.
And have running water, so that would be really good. So yeah, so that's basically it for now. All quite boring. Okay, so we're out here. We're ready to start welding this bench together. Can one of you just explain how we're going to have it, please? Oh, okay, Dave, can you explain how we're going to have it?
Go in just above that electric socket there.
Yeah.
We're sitting, it's sort of like right there. Yeah, it's going to go in there.
And how's it going to be? How's it going? Because obviously we need to get into the engine bay. So how's it going to? How are we going to lift?
Would it be in that height? The
yeah.
engine bay's got two things on it, so that one here will be lifted out.
Yeah.
Or lifted up.
Yeah.
And then that one here will come out and get.
You can just pull it
over.
over.
Be careful, is when you're in the engine bay, you don't headbutt the front of it.
Oh yes, yes.
And then we got 50mm bar going across here to stop it from drooping, because it's only 4mm plate.
Yeah.
So we'll weld the 4mm plate around the edges here, and then we'll put bar across there, and then that will support it in the middle. So if you bang your head on it, you're banging your head on that rather than a sharp edge.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. We're bound to do that, Dave.
So, yeah. Right,
so that is, I think Lee's trying to...
that electric socket then, really. And we've got all the place to put coal and whatever in under it, then, ain't you, or whatever you're going to put in there.
Well, it's saying there isn't going to be, but I don't like the look of that.
Well, if it comes to it, we've got that parasol.
Well, what we'll do is, if we cut a template for this, right, cut a template, if we've got a bit of ply or something, we've got some melamine down there, haven't we? Yeah. If we cut it, that side, and we put it over that side, cut this that side, yeah? And then we'll mark it there where it is, measure that, put the measurement on the steel, right, and then we'll mark the template there, mark the template there, That's all inside. If it does rain, we can leg it quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
And if it doesn't rain, then we get plenty of sunshine. We've got to put suntan lotion on. Then we'll get the steel out, the big plate out, put it down there and get it cut.
Yeah.
All right?
Okay. Okay, so what have you done here, Dave?
Just scribe that in there.
Yeah.
That's going to be that bit there.
Yeah.
Imagine that's like a
So you're doing a template?
dotted line on it.
Yeah.
Like a piece.
Yeah, it's been really rough since we've, for the last couple of weeks now.
I think you should be adding this.
Oh, yeah, nice.
Let's just double check that side. It's okay.
Yeah. Lovely.
Yeah, lovely.
Let's just make sure we get that right.
Clever man.
Right. Then that goes in like. I reckon that's about the height, don't you?
Yeah. What do you
Yep.
reckon now? So that's
Right.
basically.
What do you
I
think?
won't put weight on
You can
it,
put your weight on it. It shouldn't break up.
Put-
Yeah,
Would you
I'd
sit
say-
comfortably there?
I think so. Yeah. Do you want to just see?
Man flu's the worst.
I only had one day off work.
He did. You did work a few mornings and sort of went to bed in the afternoon. Oh, okay.
We're spot on as well, so it's good.
Oh, that's good.
Do you want a pen for that?
Again there.
Just put the light on.
Have you got the tape there?
We've just spent 10 minutes looking for a tape measure.
Yeah, sure.
No, I don't think you had that fully on this side. Hold on. Try again.
So we go from there. Ah, hang on.
You wouldn't include that bit.
That is there, isn't it? Yeah, I'm just thinking that myself. So no, it is from here to there, isn't it? 635 less this, isn't it?
635's the bit in between.
No, yeah, it is 635's in between. Alright. 5, 6, 3, 5. There. And then we got that there. $1,600. 1,600. Oh, is it inside? I think we'll give it up. Ah, no, yeah, it is. It's in there. So, the 1640.
Okay, so we measured it in the wrong place, so we're just going to have to weld a little bit on the end because we measured it at 600 and it's actually 640.
So I'll do it there. That goes there. Got that square there, Lee.
Those 3D things, and I'll attach everything to a big belt.
Oh, I've got one for you.
Yeah, Lee was very impressed. He was telling me last night about the...
Do you want to do that? Mark that one, just that bit there.
Lee was telling me about that contraption you made, Dave.
It's gone
For the windlass, is it?
It's gone.
Was it the windlass?
Yeah, it's for the one. Yeah.
So basically, Dave on his 3D printer made this contraption so he can actually attach the windlass for doing the locks to a belt. You were quite impressed with it, weren't
Yeah,
you?
it was. Yeah, it was good.
I'll get him to show you all later.
It's a bit tacky, this.
Is it? Well, it said touch dry 5 to 6. I suppose if we had the heater on, it would have been.
There you go.
Oh, here we are. Look, this is what. Can you just explain how it works, Dave?
It's a windlass holder. That's a bracket that goes on the wall.
Yeah.
So you can glue it on or drill 2 holes in there and fix it on the wall like that.
Yeah.
And that just clips in like that. Right. So when you've got it in your wet house or something, whatever,
Dry locker
dry locker, that
or wet locker.
there clips on your trousers like that. Yeah.
Oh, so you just take it out, clip
And
it on
then-
your belt.
Your windlass goes in there and clips into there.
Yeah.
And it
Clips
don't
in
fall
solid.
out.
Yeah, it stays there solid.
Yeah.
And then that bit there is if this keeps wriggling off your belt, all you have to do is undo your belt, find it there, undo your belt, pull that out, slip that in underneath,
Hang on.
like that,
Yeah.
and then it hooks on, and then your belt holds it on.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a really good idea, and Dave designed that himself.
They're really good.
That's how it works. But yeah,
But the good thing about it when it's on your belt is that when that windlass is in there, it doesn't move. So it's not falling out or swinging around. It just stays
Solid.
there.
Yeah, so you know where it is, and it's handy for doing locks and.
But it then stops you putting it down and leaving it, or obviously it falling into the canal. So yeah, no, it's really good design, a really good idea.
Oh, clever man.
I thought so. He's brought one in. Like,
there it is.
show it up.
Like that. So that goes in like that. That goes in like that. So when
There
you're
we
moving
go.
a boat, it doesn't swing around.
Hang on,
catching
we
and
just
that.
need you to model it, Dave.
It doesn't-
Strike a pose.
So when you're doing that,
Yeah,
it doesn't swing about. But those some of the leather ones that you got,
they
you
swing.
get banging
Yeah,
about like
yeah.
that.
So it's
And
solid.
Just to get it out, pull it out like that one. The handle's a bit big on it. It goes out like that, and then to put it back in on the old.
Oh, very handy little contraption.
The good thing is, you see, it clips in there. You see, so that stops it just falling out.
Yeah.
So I'm watching the blogs and that, and I watched three times. I think I've seen people put them on the lock bar, and then they push the lock shut on the end. It goes bing, and it falls on the grass or on the
Yeah.
thing and that, you know. And
That way you've got it by your side.
when you're opening the gate like that, it goes in the canal. I saw one guy on a blog lost it. Yeah. We cut that bar off to go between those things.
Yeah. And then we'll have enough to do.
That'll be yeah, that one will go in like that then. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cut him off there.
Yeah.
Or cut him between the pillars.
Yeah.
And then we'll weld along here. Yeah. All the way along the face of there.
Yeah.
And then that'll because if we done that when you're sitting on the thing, that'll dig in the back of your legs, won't it?
Yeah.
You know?
Right.
So by having the bar at the front,
It
yeah.
rounds it off, doesn't it? Yeah.
And the
Okay.
other thing is as well, that's going to be like within headbutting distance when you're stood in the engine bay.
Yeah.
So you don't want a sharp edge there.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's going to support it. That's the best way to support it.
Yeah.
Coming underneath
sense.
rather than put it like there and weld it on the top. Got
Yeah.
me?
Yeah.
So we'll stick it there like that.
Right.
Weld up between the towers. That's it. Dead easy.
Bob's your uncle.
The bit that we got left, we'll use that to the
Extend it.
or not?
Yeah. You chop that up into little bits actually, maybe. Just bits like that, yeah. And put one here, one there, one in the middle, one there, and one there.
Okay.
Or even, what was that for? Can you remember? Oh, that's for the hatch.
Yeah, well, I think we got
That's more than enough for the hatch.
there.
So
Yeah.
probably cut some of them
Some
up.
of that would be better.
Yeah.
wouldn't
Yeah.
it? Okay.
So I think the first thing to do is we'll get this one outside and get this ground out.
Okay.
There we go. All cut out. What's next, Dave?
Grind them up. It's a little bit short one end, isn't it? The other end. So I can work that one out. I think I might pay that a bit. Does this sound? Yeah, maybe. I just realised I've done wrong. Let's figure it out. Cut them bits of ply.
Yeah.
Mark a line all the way around there. And get that one set up. We'll cut all the angles for the support it.
Yeah.
Right? And
Yeah.
then we'll tack all the angles on and then
Yeah.
drop this one in place.
Okay.
There. That's plenty for the hatch, isn't it?
Yeah.
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 Right. So it'll do us there.
Aha, that's where your blue pencil went.
No, I gave it to him this morning.
Oh,
No, they're all in the drawer, the other ones.
I know.
along with the key drawer.
I saw the key drawer yesterday.
Never let you forget that one.
Oh.
The stress you put Lee through.
Yeah, it's bloody incredible how that worked out. Well, it was him saying broken key. That's what done it. Because I went to that drawer about 10 times. I said broken key, and then when I looked in the drawer, I saw it up and it was broken off here, and I think, that's that key there.
I never lose keys, and that's what's really doing me, because I'm so careful with keys.
Oh, he actually goes upstairs and puts it in his keys in a special drawer in the bedroom.
Yeah. Yeah, in the safe. She doesn't know the code is.
Yeah. Mine just go in my coat
With
pocket.
keys and that, if it's other people's keys,
Oh, nice.
Now we can use that for covering up that hole I've got Dave to. Well, that would be spot on 17 inches.
Lewison, we'll whack that one off at, what we're looking at, 17 inches minus that. Pencil. There's a pencil. That'll do it, won't it?
Yeah.
There. Mark him there. Right,
So we cut there, yeah?
yeah, whack him off there.
Hey, Lee. Just explain what.
Well, we're just setting up. These are the brackets which are gonna. We're for that plate.
Yeah.
For the seat.
For making a bench, yeah.
So we've got to work out the height, but to make sure we've got the height right, we've got to take into consideration things like where the Morse control is going to be. Because it's going to have a plate on it that'll be sort of like so.
Yeah.
So we don't want to have it too high.
So it interferes with
Yeah.
force control.
Yeah. So we've got to, but also we have to measure that as well, make sure it's not going to interfere with that as well. But,
So much to think about.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. So what we're going to do is set this, what we thought would be the height. Actually, we can't do a lot more, can we?
No, that's all right there. Yeah. Because don't forget that's the plate height. That could be that's the
what you're
bracket,
saying.
not
Yeah,
the
yeah.
plate height. Yeah?
Yeah.
So I think we can come down half the thickness of that bracket. So what are you looking at? 15 mil.
Yeah.
Well, not a 15 mil.
Yeah,
for
take
there,
15 off there. There you go.
I reckon that, don't you?
Yeah. On next to the what's the name there? Yeah.
That works.
Top of it, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
lovely.
Yeah.
Ah, look at that.
So, I think because that's a short bit there, push him that way. Oops. I'll add stone here.
Yeah.
Like that. Is that okay?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, it looks great. God, that's going to do the trick, isn't it? There you go. Oh,
Right,
can see you two with your little barbecues out there.
Tell you what, that is going to make such a difference.
Yeah, it's going to be comfortable, isn't it? Yeah.
That is brilliant.
really, but I could cut 2 bits,
Yeah.
put it in there. Yeah.
Jigsaw
Then
puzzle.
We can
Then we've got
patch
a little
out
bit
there.
you can use for that bit if you need
Patch
it.
that up there. Yeah, that's the trouble. We measured there, didn't we? Automatically thinking it was straight, but the sides go out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh well.
If you look at Dave's is 90 degrees. Most of them are 90 degrees. But this one, for some reason,
do you know,
slopes in.
I never even.
A brilliant thing for me windows. It's a local firm, local woman,
Yeah.
and it's printed animal prints on.
Oh, fabric.
Yeah.
Fabric. Yeah.
Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. £3.50 a sheet for an 800 by 800. Absolutely incredible. So 21 quid, I've got enough to do all my windows.
Is Claire gonna make them for
Claire's
you?
gonna stitch it up. Yeah. Let's get that. See it. That's good. I'll do is there. That's one there. I'll cut a bit to go in there. Because Will was laughing at him fishing, like, you know.
I quite fancy having a go at the old magnet fishing at some point.
Huh?
Quite fancy having a go at magnet fishing.
Yeah, the trouble is, like, after the Second World War, like, if you pulled out like a bomb, like, you'd be... Because gold ain't magnetic, is it?
Yeah, I would think by the gear he's got, I would think he's sort of comfortable.
He's after
He's only got
salmon.
light spell.
Just saying, there's somebody fishing over there.
Salmon. Looking for his tea. You got one out food milk.
She's got an insurance on me.
Grinder. You sure he's not health and safety, just posing as a fisherman?
Yeah. He's going to come get you. Dave is every health and safety inspector's nightmare. And you're certainly not very healthy, are you?
No.
All good? Bit too big.
I just fell right through the arse. It can't be too big. Right, okay then. Let's
Do you like it?
God. You too, what you like.
Something nice. Yeah. No, actually, that is something, isn't it? Yeah. Well, even without that, even your arms feel comfortable sitting on there.
Good, that's made a huge difference. And then we can still, because the plate ends there, so we can literally lift it up and slide it out. That's not a problem.
The wing hatch, you're going to be in the engine bay anyway, so
Yeah.
it doesn't matter. That won't be a problem.
Well done, you two.
And it's tight.
Yeah. So got that plate.
Would you have it that way or the other way, Dave? Is that the way you need to have it?
Probably do it that way.
Well, I don't know. What do you think?
I mean, obviously the full strength is that way.
I think it looks better that way. If yeah. There's nice cushions on there. It'll be well away.
Okay. Yeah, that's great. Honestly, I cannot believe how much difference that's going to make.
We can make it so you can take it in and out.
Just thinking, you know, snorri heads going. I'm just
Gee,
summer.
how rude.
Like that. Right, so I've got, I think if you control this end, I'll earth it out. And get a tack in there.
Right, so you want me that end?
So, yeah, I'll mark that and grind that out a minute there.
Poor old Lee's not feeling good.
Do
Do you want another one? Lee, what are you doing that for? Sorry, can't hear you.
Drilling a hole through the steel, the bracket,
Yeah,
and then Dave's going to put the weld in there. And
Okay.
Then that'll secure it.
okay.
The only problem is,
We get in there.
have you shown it?
No, not
Oh,
yet.
right. So here we go. We've got a little few finishing touches to do. So the welds just need a bit grinding down. We're not going to do that today. But we'll just put some red oxide on it just to protect it. But Dave said if the weather's all right tomorrow, he's going to do that for us, and then put a bit of red oxide on it. So, but there you go. That is the bench.
Oh, that's going to make such a difference, isn't it?
Yeah, it's great.
That looks great, yeah.
That's a cocktail seating.
Yeah,
Cocktail seating or the Doom bar
it's
seating.
absolutely spot on with the height.
Yeah,
It feels really comfortable.
Yeah.
So yeah, and it doesn't look out of place. It really does, like you said. It just
It's meant to be.
access or anything, does it?
No, it doesn't restrict access for the
I
engine
know what it's
bay.
like, I suppose, when you got your extension on, you'd be right for steering.
Yeah.
But just going around there just now, I thought, bloody hell, you know, I'd right for steering, but it ain't because you've got a long bar on it.
Yeah.
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 The
So
steering's out here. So
yeah.
So and
Anyway.
so we're going to get some cushions just to temporary, aren't we? Just to,
Yeah.
and then we'll sort out eventually, because we'll have a pram cover on eventually.
Yeah.
So we'll be able to leave stuff out here as it is. But for now, that's where we're at. So
Yeah.
we're going to with that hole behind there. When you're sitting there, your back's against there. It's not
Yeah.
bad, is it? No,
Yeah.
You don't feel that hole in underneath.
No.
So we'll leave it there for this weekend. Thank you for watching. Please continue to, and we'll try and get back into it now.
Yeah.
Please like and subscribe,
Hopefully we'll be looking a little bit better next week.
and we'll continue our crazy escapade of building this boat, and we'll see you next time.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.